Okay, so today is June 4th. And here is the current state of the basement. I got Parker's toys somewhat aligned. I got some lights up that I'll show in a second. Some posters on the wall. I got the TV up. I got a couple of gaming chairs down. I got my workstation up and running.
Say hi, Jaden. Oh, and so
Oh,
I you never saw this before. And if you're saying this is not real, it's real. I captured a dinosaur too.
okay.
Look how big it is.
Yeah, yeah.
And you'll be my best friend in the universe.
Yeah.
If you subscribe to my videos, and you'll also get be added to this book too.
Okay.
I added my other friends to it.
All right. Okay, Parker. Let me finish the video first. So, yep. Here's the area, and I'll turn the main lights off so you can see the whole effect of it. But yeah, this is it. So I'm about 98% done. I still have some stuff to pick up and put away. TV area. And I never did show the bathroom. The bathroom was actually a huge mess. I don't know if I showed that, but I put up some shelves, bookshelves for all my stuff. One in the corner. All this stuff I ordered Amazon. Well, except for this chair, that's Staples. But TV stand, all these bookshelves, the posters, and then let's see how it looks with the lights off. Let's see. Turn on this laundry area. Okay. All right. This is where Parker and I hang out. Here we go. Actually, there's still another light on. Turn this light off. There we go. Oh, might as well look at the bathroom. Yeah, this is a new shower. Nothing fancy. Yeah, even got the floors done. The floors were some weird thing on there. But anyway, just walking back this way, and this is. Let me turn this bathroom light off. And here we go. This is our hangout area. And I'm 98% done because I still have some couple of other things to put on the wall. You know. Uh, Parker actually picked some of these posters out. And our gaming chairs. That's pretty much it. Yeah.